Hi friends, this is Dr. Deepak Toshniwal. I am a postgraduate and doctorate in pharmacy. So today let me talk to you about two industries. One is pharmaceuticals, another is food industry, or you can call it as I am into manufacturing of chocolates. Let me talk about the pharmaceutical industry. Friends, I have been telling this since long time. Pharmaceutical industry, there will be no recession, there is no saturation, especially in India, for at least next 25 to 30 years. Friend, because we are the hub or the epicenter of manufacturing pharmaceuticals. We are the logistic hub of pharmaceuticals for the entire globe, for the entire world. And believe me, we are, after US, we are the only country which have got maximum US FDA approved plants. And believe me, we are doing the best. And friends, and this is the right now entire world's focus is on India, not because how many patients we are having or how we are coping up. It's also because that 20 global share, where India has got 23 to 28% of global share in pharmaceuticals. If India is affected, many countries are going to get affected, especially in the field of pharmaceuticals. So we produce life-saving drugs. We produce so many products which are exported to most of the countries in the world. Believe me, most of the countries in the world. And friends, there is huge opportunity for the youngsters in pharmaceuticals. I go to a lot of MBA colleges and especially to pharmacy colleges where they are doing MBA in pharmaceuticals. I try to guide students for their career, for their international career. I mentor them. So friend, this is the industry where we should all concentrate. And the second industry where I would focus or where my passion is chocolate industry. Friends, in my college days, they used to say, ki if you don't get admission anywhere, then you can take admission in pharmacy. But it's not so. I myself my grandfather had reserved a seat for me to become a doctor, but I refused to. And I have, out of my passion, I had taken pharmacy as my subject. And that is how I am doing it. So friends, today I am a global strategic consultant where I help companies to prepare themselves for exports, and then I try to take them to Africa or Latin America based on the product and the investment they have. Similarly, let me talk about the chocolate industry. Chocolate industry in India is flooded by caramel based product, and friends, they are not good for health. I have done 1.5 year R&D before entering into this chocolate industry. I have studied most of the brands of the world, and believe me, there's a lot to be there. We need to add a lot of value to that. Whether it is pharmaceutical industry, it's chocolate industry, or any industry or services you are into, my request and appeal to each and everybody is one thing: add some value to it. Do some creativity in that, because otherwise we are known to copy. We are known to copy a brand or a product or a service. Let's do some value addition. If everybody thinks that way, then who is going to innovate? Today we are enjoying electricity, mobile phone or everything. It's because somebody has innovated it, or somebody has added value to that. So let's do that. So that is now, we, as China and other countries have been delisted, India has got a great chance for exports, especially into pharmaceuticals and other industry, all engineering to everything. So friends, I have my own formed 10 golden commandments for exports, and I call it as quarantine. Now let's see what is the long form of quarantine. Let's start with Q. Q means quality products. Please concentrate on the quality products. Whatever we are going to export, this is a chance. Let us not lose it. Let's have produce the quality products. Next, U. So it's utilize the export and import subsidy. Government has been generous and it's giving us a lot of import and export subsidies. Let's utilize it. Next comes A. Let's have accreditations. Let's have the best accreditations for your product and service industry. Next comes R. So please study the return policy. It's very important. Otherwise, whatever you want to make, it can go into doldrums. Next comes A, that's advance and timely delivery. Please concentrate on delivery times. These are very important when it comes to export industry. Next comes N, national collaborations. If you get a huge order and if you are not able to do it, please collaborate with other manufacturers. Be friendly with them and do together. This is the time to collaborate. This is where our country has to come together and let's collaborate. Next comes T, that is third party inspection. Get your product third party inspection, not only product but even the facility also. Get it audited, get it certified. Next comes I, that is intellectual property rights, IPR. Please take care of IPR. Every product, every process, every trademark, it should be safeguarded. That's IPR. Next comes neat and best packaging. That's N. Let's concentrate on packaging. Presentation is the first impression what you produce in the customers. And last but not least, it's E. That is, please do export compliances. So it is quarantine. These are the 10 commandments I would request for each and every industry which is into products and services to this. So these are my 10 commandments. And friends, value addition and creativity, these are the two principles of life you should adopt so that we can make the best use of it. And friends, I go to a lot of MBA colleges. As a guest faculty, I try to mentor them, I try to tell them. So there is a huge scope. I especially I give orientation to students for career orientation, career guidance in domestic and international world. I try to place a lot of students internationally also. So example, there are 33 avenues where a pharmaceutical student or a food industry student can apply for jobs. So I take a special webinar for that. I do a guidance for that. Anytime you can approach me. I am always available. My mobile number is 9601 466677. So once again, this is Dr. Deepak Toshniwal. These are the few things which I wanted to share. So pharmaceutical industry and chocolate industry, please do be in touch with me, contact with me. Thank you friends. Let's meet again soon. Thank you.